Hello guys, today we're going to do quick analysis about SPX 500 on weekly time frame. As you can see, the grid is huge. First, for this analysis you need to switch from regular to logarithmic chart and use Fibonacci retracement. For measuring Fibonacci retracement, we will take this segment, this correction, and this little segment. First, you need to take this high and this low, but you have to go into the option and check this option Fib level based on the log scale. Same right there, high and low, and take this little segment high and low. As you can see, overlapping of three Fibonacci levels is right there. This is the zone of rejection. How we will find first support? First we need to switch from weekly to daily chart and use same Fibonacci level from low to high, and you can see the daily breakout is overlapping with golden zone. If this zone do not give us support, we will find where is the second support. So we will take this low and this high, and you can see this zone is very strong right there. Now we have resistance zone, micro support, and major support right there. If you like this quick analysis about SPX 500, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join to my Discord server.